Adriana from Toy Room Adventures, and today I'm back with another slime tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a glitter slime that does not even stick to your hands, which is amazing. And the things you are going to need are, you are going to be needing borax, which I got at Walmart for $5. Some glitter glue. It has to contain PVA or it will not work. And I have metallic, and it says neon, but it doesn't really look neon to me. I've tried this recipe before, and I know with these it works. This type of glitter glue. I got these at the dollar store for $1.25, not like $125, $1.25. 1 teaspoon measurement. Just some water. I got a little bit more of hot water keyword, but you only need half a cup and 1 cup, depending on how much you use. I'm going to be using 6, and a mixing bowl. And optionally, you can use food coloring. I'm not going to because the glitter is colored, it's pigmented. So I'm going to. So I got 1 pack of 6, another pack of 6. In total, that's 12 bottles of glue, glitter glue. So I'm going to be using 3 from here and 3 from here. So I'm going to open them up. So hopefully I can open them up fine. Okay, well, that didn't really work. Got it. From here, I'm going to be using green, just regular white sparkles, and yellow. I'm going to leave my favorite colors from here for another video, which is going to be fun things you can add to slime. So I'm going to be saving some of these. Hopefully this is easier. Oh yeah, much easier. So from here, I'm going to be adding my favorite ones. So I'm going to be adding pink, gold, and I'm going to do blue because I don't have blue. And I still have 3 left. So 6 left. So I'm going to be using all these tubes of glue, glitter glue. So you want to start by, that one out. You want to start by opening them up and just pouring it in. I'm going to be mixing all of these. So I got the lid off, so now it's going to be much easier and faster to get the rest of the glitter out. Glitter glue. If you use regular sparkles from like MacLeod that are just like regular without the glue added to it, then it's going to stick to your hands. This doesn't really stick to your hands. Got it. I'm only going to film me doing 2 bottles of glitter, and then I'll be right back because this video will be way too long if I record it the whole time. So, BRB. This is what I got so far. That's a glitter. There's pink sparkles in this one if you look closely. See if you fold it in half. Woo! Don't. This is the last tube. Wow. This kind of looks like an amber color. Here is all of the glitter, and time to mix it up. And the glitter doesn't have food coloring, so it'll never mix the pigments and make it look black or whatever. Because I want it to be like a rainbow. But already it looks like slime. See? You never go wrong. Make sure you mix it really well because we want all the glitter. We don't want to waste any glitter. Okay, that looks very pretty. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to put the spoon down. Next, you want to add a little bit of water. Try to add equal amounts. And I'm just going to mix it up. You want it to sort of be like a liquid. It's really chunky, so it's going to be a little bit harder. But once you did it, it's good. Now I'm going to take my 1 teaspoon measurement and take 1 scoop of borax. And that should be good. And I'm going to add it to 1 cup of hot, very hot water, but not boiling. And you just want to mix it up until it's all dissolved. You do not want any floating chunks of borax in there. So you want to make sure that it's completely mixed, or else you'll have weird little chunks in your slime and it will not be as smooth. I want it to be. Make some pretty glitter mist. And if you hold your spoon up to the side, you can see if there's any flakes, and there is not. You can let it sit for a few minutes, but don't let it get room temperature or cold. But I am not patient, so I'm just going to add little by little because we want the slime to be stretchy. I'm going to add 2 of these and just mix it, and then right away it should be becoming slime. If it is not, then you probably did not get PVA in yours, and that's probably why. So I'm going to add a few more scoops, maybe like 1 more, and a half. If you add too much, then it's not going to be very stretchy. So it's turning into slime, but you have to add a lot. So we got our slime, and now you want to take your hands. It's a messy part, but the fun part is you want to knead it. And it does take a really kind of sort of long time. And even when I first made it, it was this sticky, but it got better as you go. It's better as you mix it with your hands more. And I'm going to take a scoop. It's becoming slime, which is really, really cool and very glittery. Make sure you wash your hands after. And once it becomes slime, I promise you, it will not stick. And don't yell at me if you add loose glitter and then it sticks to your hands a lot, because I see that in YouTube videos and it doesn't turn out as good. Gotta make sure you get glitter glue and not loose glitter. If that's all you have, then yeah, use it. Don't waste your money, but it will stick to your hands a lot more. You're probably like, Audrey, it's sticking to your hands. Yeah, well, it has to become slime, and then you're good. And there's really no measurements for how much you have to add, how much borax solution, slime activator you have to add, just until it gets to your liking. I'll see you when it becomes slime. It's already becoming slime. So it will take like around 5 to 10 minutes and you will have your own glitter slime. But trust me, the end result is super stretchy. I don't know why, but it always turns out better for me when I use glitter glue rather than just regular glue. I don't know why, but it always comes out except for my fluffy slime recipe. It normally just comes out looking like Jello after. I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, so it has become glitter slime, and I'm going to quickly wash my hands, and I will be back, peeps. Peace. I call this confetti slime, and it is super, super cool. And if you listen closely, if you put it on the table, super loud to poke. I don't know if you can hear it very well with the microphone, but it is very loud, and it's really cool when you stretch it out because you can see all the sparkles. And this is like my best slime I've ever made, and I really like it. Do you guys like it? Oh yeah, and it does not stick to your hands at all. Again, no sparkles on my hands or anything, and leaves no sticky residue, which is great. And you can store it in a Ziploc baggie, or what I like to do, which is what I do with all my slimes, is I take a airtight container and I just put my confetti slime in it, and you can close it up. If it gets harder, you can add a few drops of water to moisten it, and if it is too sticky, you can add some more borax. So that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye!